Today, we're creating the sliding multicolor glow text animation using the Chameleon Slide effect. This gives your text a glowing, color shifting motion that instantly makes it stand out. Let's get into it. Start by opening your project, then tap on the text option from the bottom toolbar. Tap Add Text, type in your title or caption, and head over to the Font tab to choose a style that suits your video's theme. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now go to the Loop section and scroll until you find the animation called Chameleon Slide. Apply it, and you'll see your text begin to glide smoothly while shifting between multiple glowing colors. This creates a vibrant neon style effect that works beautifully in intros, edits, and highlight videos. To control the motion, use the duration slider. Slide left for a faster, energetic slide. Slide right for a slower, smoother movement. Preview the animation and adjust the duration until you get the perfect glowing slide effect. And that's it. You've created the sliding multicolor glow text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut mobile editing tips.